Our ability to surface what is good, what is bad, what is suspicious is incredibly powerful, and I'm really excited that we have that capability.
I think one of the things that kind of sets SpyCloud apart historically and certainly to this day is our ability to put together a massive amount of data and build those identities in similar ways to how the criminals are doing it, but in obviously a proactive or preventative way. So, ignorance is not really bliss in this case, right? If we can understand what the criminal has access to or may have access to and how they may want to use that, that's where prevention comes in, right? That's where you can actually stop attacks before they start, instead of doing what a lot of us have done a lot of our careers, certainly me in law enforcement, is responding to something after the fact.
I think to extend off of that, when we have this collection, we have this big pile of data, right? These records that represent an identity. Our ability to load it into a graph and the ability to pivot across that to build a holistic identity is super powerful, where we have identities of people that are legitimate, as well as those of bad actors, as well as those that are synthetic. They're all part of this pile of data. And our ability to surface what is good, what is bad, what is suspicious, is incredibly powerful, and I'm really excited that we have that capability.
And then taking that data connected to the other elements of data through those graphs, and then adding the capability to generate those signals. The thing that makes this all useful, the users of our product, ability to connect it into your ecosystem, right? Not just look at the data in a wonderful portal, which of course you can do, but also to be able to generate the right signals into your own system, to stop the threat at your identity system, to block it within your network. Having this data, having these analytics, and then bringing all of that into your own system so that you can protect yourself from the threat within minutes of its detection on the darknet. This is what it's all about. Understanding the threat and proactively protecting your business from it.